Hi guys, welcome back to Bunny Brick Designs. So I've got a couple unboxings for you. Now, I haven't had a whole lot of time to do beading lately. Unfortunately, I've gotten way behind in my beading. But I just got in both the Curated bead box and the bargain bead box. Literally within the last 24 hours. The bargain bead box came in today, and the Curated bead box came in yesterday. And I'm just picking up seed beads that I see here. I didn't get a chance to do the unboxing yesterday, so I figured I'm going to do the unboxing today for the Curated bead box. And their box this month is called Spring Blooms. Now, I'm looking at some of these beads, and they look very, very vibrant. So let me open this up. And we'll take a look at these together. And I already see that there is something in the box that looks like it broke, and I don't know what that is. So, yeah, so I don't know if that's a broken bead or something, but anyways, there's something broken in there. So hopefully it wasn't anything, or maybe it was just scrap or something. I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Nope, I see more. I'm assuming it's going to be one of these crackle beads. I'm guessing, yeah, yep, I see what it was. I'll show you in a minute, guys. So apparently they cooked them a little too much. So, first we have 10-inch Celebration Abstract Bead, 6-inch string. And I'm guessing that's going to be these. They really didn't say, but like what color it is. But these are really fun. I'm looking at these and I'm loving these. They're bluish green beads with pink on them. Those are fun. I like those. Next we have Meadow Abstract Glass Beads. And these are they remind me of, I don't know, and I'm going to date myself here. When I was a kid, they made these Easter eggs that had frosting on them. They were malted milk balls with red or pink, yellow, and blue frosting with little speckles on them. And I'm holding them off camera because I'm waiting to show you until I told you that. But these are just so fun. Loving that. Next we have 10mm drizzle gold green. And we've gotten these before in smaller. And I have a ton of these in my stash, except in the 6mm. So these are the 10. Next we have 8mm fern jade style glass beads. And so that's these. So they're fern color, I guess. They're green. Those are very pretty. Next we have carnelian citrine. Oh, I'm sorry. Those are the carnelian. Wait. Well, I'm guessing these are the light green marble. I'm sorry, light green marble style glass beads. And then we also have carnelian. I'm guessing these are the carnelian citrine. So this is what this was, I do believe. Again, I have a whole lot of beads, pieces here, glass shards. I'm assuming it comes from this because it's the same color value. So apparently one of these crackle beads, ooh, and those shards of glass are sharp. One of these crackle beads broke apart. So I'm guessing that's what happened. So yeah, they apparently baked this a little too long, so I'm hesitant to use these beads because I don't want them breaking apart. But anyways, so those are very pretty. I just think they might have, because in order to make these, you take regular beads and then you heat them up, you put them in boiling water, and then you put them in cold water and they'll crack. And so I'm guessing they either did it too long in the hot water or something, and or too long. They dunked it in the cold water too long and they split apart. Anyway, next we have 6mm yellow marble style glass beads, and so that's these. Those are very pretty. And then we have 6mm hot pink. I love the hot pink. This reminds me of an Easter basket. And I know it's spring blooms. It's supposed to be floral. But I'm thinking Easter basket with this. Next, we have soft green glass seed beads. And that's these. These are 6.0 glass seed beads. These are pretty. So they're pearlescent. I don't know if you can see that. I'm not going to take them out of the bag. And then we also have yellow, soft yellow. So very, very light, pale yellow, to go with that. Next, we have 46 by 20 birds on a branch, silver metal links. Now, these are really cool. I may do something with this, either with resin or with bead embroidery. I think that would look really cool on a bead embroidery piece. And you get 3 of these. So, I mean, I could see doing, you could do necklaces, you could do, something with that. But I may do some embroidery with those. Those are really, really fun. And then next we have yellow flower silver metal links. And so there is 2 of these. And those have resin on them, or enamel. Those are really pretty. And so you've got your top there. And so I could see that being like pieces to a necklace. I think that's definitely going to be a necklace. And then we also have silver metal links, flower silver metal links, 4 pieces. So these have 2 sides. You have a side with a little dot, and then you have the back side. And now I'm looking at this, and I know this is the front side, but if you wanted to use the back side, you could also put like a little stone in there. That would look fun, but I'm liking those. Those are cute. Don't know what I'm going to do with those, but I like those. And as usual with the Curated bead box, you get all of your findings. And I'm just brushing off the shards of glass. I'm not going to take everything out, but looks like we get eye pins and jump rings and ear wires and the usual stuff that they give you. I'm going to take all of this glass and I'm going to put it in the trash just because I don't want bunnies getting into this or eating any of this. So it's going to go directly in the trash. Speaking of bunnies, Charlie and Velvet are doing well. They've been together over a week now. And they are just fabulous. So things are well for them. All right, so I'm going to put this back in the box for now. And this is and actually, we'll leave these out. And we'll just put that in the box. And so this is the Spring Blooms collection. I really like this. I don't know what I want to do with this, but especially these 2 together. I think those 2 together are going to make something really, really fun. I don't know. I may do something. I don't know. I'm loving these colors together. They're bright, they're vibrant, they're florally. I don't know. They're fun, especially these. I have not seen beads like this before, but I really like them. So anyways, that is the spring blooms from the Curated Bead Box. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.